What is going on, everybody? Today we're back with another video, and inside of this video we are going to be reacting to Ethan Animate's Lies You Keep. It came out 2 weeks ago. Let's go ahead and get right into this. I don't know if this is loud or not. I'm gonna do it like this volume. If it's too loud in the next video, which will be tomorrow, this isn't gonna be this loud.
Breaking slow, and you know it's not enough for me. When you say it's over, never was the gravity that pulled me close.
Stone Axe. It's time. You can grab your staff. Dang, what the heck? That's the definition of coming out of nowhere. Actually, a bird. Who gonna win? Who gonna win? That's what I wanted to know. Dang! Birds are no match for him. Definitely not.
Holding on to what we had dragged me down deeper, now I can't go back. You let me drown, fighting just to catch my breath. When I know it's over, is it really how this ends? Lost all composure. Will Father know I'm breaking down, losing myself along this road? Find a way to make it out.
Well, that's Technoblade.
Pick up the pieces of my soul, but I'm too far gone, nowhere to run.
I almost brought tears to my eyes for a second, y'all. Still, man. Oh my god, oh my god. Hey, hey man, you killed Phil? Hey, that's on you. Like, I'm not doing that. Using your own power against you. Yeah, see, that's what I'm talking about. That's hard to beat the big one. But Techno is Techno, I believe. He swiped. Techno just absolutely swiped him. Oh, he's dead. And that person's not. To be continued. This was 2 weeks ago, so we could be seeing another episode very soon, or a trailer very soon. That was actually very cool. Music is from Falling North. That was a good song. A good story too, and I love it. So, hope you all enjoyed the video. I'll give this a 10 out of 10. This is a very good video. And actually, I kind of like the more story side / like emotional ones. Those ones actually, they hit deep. The ones that are just like are just action after action, I love those ones too. But I feel like they would be better if they had story into it, like Rainimator's series, for instance. He built a story from the ground up. I love that. Like, I wish more people did that. So, hope you all enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe, like, hit the notification. Let me know y'all's thoughts down in the comments below on this video. And let me know what y'all want me to react to next. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.